The first week of November is Blood Management Awareness Week, and we're here today with Dr. Carolyn Burns, the Director of Pathology and Transfusion at Jewish Hospital, to learn a little bit more about blood management and what it means to us. Dr. Burns, what is blood management?
Blood management is a global approach to viewing transfusion practice. From the time a donor, for instance, goes to donate a unit of blood down at the donor center, to the time that a recipient receives that transfused product and then beyond. And we want to make sure, as we always say, you get the right product for the right patient at the right time for the right reason. So it's utilizing those products in the best way that we can.
And why is it so important that we utilize the products in an efficient manner?
Well, our donor pool is quite small. Really, probably only 5% of the population of the United States are avid blood donors. So the product is not to be used injudiciously because it sometimes can be very scarce, different blood types, etc., and different types of components. So we want to be able to use this very precious gift that someone has taken the time to go and donate. And again, give it to the right patient. And keep in mind, too, that transfusions are not without risk. There are different things that can happen when you receive a unit of blood, and we want to make sure that we avoid complications and utilize the product to the correct patient in a quality way and for the safest way possible.
And so you said about only 5% of those in our nation are avid blood donors. What does somebody need to do to become a blood donor?
Well, the first thing I'd recommend is to contact the American Red Cross here as our regional blood distributor and donor center. And they are always happy to take questions about is someone an appropriate donor. But when in doubt, just go down, and it probably will take 2 hours of your time at the most. They ask you a series of questions that let you know whether or not you are eligible, and then you can donate, and it's done. And then you can donate up to 5 times in a year.
Okay. All right. Well, thank you, Dr. Burns.
Thank you.
This week, like we said, is Blood Management Awareness Week. So take the time, learn a little bit more about blood management. We'll be sharing facts on Facebook and Twitter. And also head down to the Red Cross and consider donating blood.